You guys have heard me talk about Chuda many times, and I'm here with Elena Ocher, the creator of Chuda. I convinced her to take me to her hotel room, set up some lights, and let me interview her. I'm so happy you're here. Now, first of all, talk to me about what Chuda means.
Chuda is miracle
in Russian. Now, you say you're a doctor, but let's set the record straight. Sorry, guys, have the Invisalign in. You're not just a doctor, you're a neurosurgeon. So you're the top of the top. What was your impetus?
I was in military services for 6 years and had a lot of hands-on experience with the traumatized, infected, and burned skin, which was treated with a compound.
The Remedia? Is that how you say it?
It's a Remedia compound.
Remedia compound.
I'm so proud they trusted us and gave us to make everyday skincare out of this, and it took many years and the genius efforts of American chemist. His name is Mark Potter, and it really works as a miracle. In my clinical practice, I use for a lot of diseased skin or traumatized skin, and recovery is unmatched.
When I saw you last, I had a lot of acne going on in this area. And I felt like I had one really bad zit and I put it on and it went away. So this helps with acne.
The most important thing is not to damage the skin and not to make those microbes to deactivate and cause an infection or inflammation. So that's what happens with acne, unfortunately.
Like people picking and
right, exactly.
Your dirty hands.
Exactly.
Okay. We all pick. And
exactly.
Picking is terrible.
Chuda has a base of hydronium water, which is antiseptic. Anywhere you have an infection or inflammation, you put it on, it heals.
So women that are getting stretch marks during pregnancy are putting like oils and stuff. Could you put this on it?
Yes, well, it decreases scar formation, you know. So stretch marks is actually broken skin. Pregnancy, stretches skin up to the limits and then it breaks. So if you start to use it early in a pregnancy, the skin gets more moisture, more elasticity, and it stretches easily and does not break. So that you prevent.
Let me ask you a question just on a side note. As we get older, our skin, our elasticity, our collagen, reproduction, everything kind of falls, right? Gravity wins. Collagen, people are drinking it now. Is that helpful?
Not at all. Not at all.
Did you hear that? Put down the collagen powder. It doesn't work.
All that what we have to understand that membranes of the cells and cell pores, have particular diameter, and not every molecule, not every skincare formulation can penetrate the skin. The most important in skincare is what's the transport system, how it carries in the beneficial vitamins and acids, amino acids. What we really wanted to do with Chuda, we wanted to create a transport system. It's cross-linked sodium hyaluronic acid. It can penetrate, drive up the moisture in, and seal it in.
And you can use it as a highlighter too.
And then you can use it as a highlighter.
So this was the first product, and this is the product I fell in love with. And then we had babies.
We have an SPF, which got Oprah Award, and we're very proud about it.
Woo-woo!
Yes.
You got an Oprah Award.
It has a 30 SPF, and trust me, it is a 30 SPF. A lot of companies, they're writing down that it has a 25 or 30 or 40 of SPF, but in laboratory, actually, it's the number's quite low.
Then you also came out with an exfoliating cleanser.
Don't forget, the skin is much more important than the table which you wipe out every day on the kitchen.
You hear that, people?
So this exfoliator actually is specifically engineered, with silica granules, and when you start to work it into the skin, it degrades. And once it degrades completely, you're sure that it's 100% clean.
I feel like when you keep it in your shower, you can really get into it. Yeah, because when you do it by your sink, you like literally have like an entire wet lagoon afterwards. Like everybody's like, what happened here?
I'm doing always in the shower.
So I do it in the shower, and you put it on, and you don't realize how dirty your skin is until you use this cleanser, because you're using it and you're like, okay, she said that it'll start to disappear when it's clean. And I'm still going. And I'm still going.
And I'm still going.
And I'm still going. And then all of a sudden it starts to, and you're like,
then you start
wow,
to feel,
that's how long it takes to actually clean your skin. Like,
yes.
Kind of like brushing your teeth. 2 minutes is a long time.
Skin cells, they die. Healthy skin exchange upper level cells every 30 days. But if you don't take them off, the younger skin cells would not grow.
How often should we use it?
If you have problematic skin, you can use every day. It's gentle enough to use every day.
So one of the things I love about this in this line, I feel like we have so many products that are non-active, so many products that don't do anything different, and I'm not about that. I mean, I either need to see something instant for my girls that are about to hit the red carpet, or I want to sleep and I want something working for me.
We have sodium hyaluronic, cross-linked sodium hyaluronic in it, which gives us instant results. You know, you definitely see much less wrinkles. You see much more supple, bright, young-looking skin. Exactly, plumped up. It's not just instant results, but it's also sustainable results. You know, more you use it, you will see how much the skin improves, how much healthier it's gonna look. We had studies done for 3 weeks, 4 weeks, for 2 months use, and we see amazing transformation of the skin.
Can you tease us what's coming or no?
Yes,
I know
can,
one product
actually,
that's coming that I'm actually really excited about.
Coming from my patients and my fans and our followers, and they wanted the same compound lip balm, and we have it. It's amazing.
It's amazing. Take it from me, amazing.
We're coming with a Chuda for a body. Yes. So it's going to be body treatment, we are extremely excited.
Because everyone just focuses on this and they forget everything else.
Well, don't forget.
I don't think I've washed my feet in like 15 years. I'm just kidding. I feel like I've learned so much. I hope you guys have learned so much. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Elena, just a side note, guys, also was the woman who we can thank to making my back problems go away. Aww. Thank you. I love you. Thank you so much for joining us. Thanks for talking to my audience. All the information is below. Subscribe and go follow them on Instagram, and have a wonderful day.
Bye, everybody.
How do you say bye in Russian?
Пока.
Baka. Baka.
Пока-пока.